Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the network and internet section, hotspot and tethering, mobile hotspot. Here you can switch your hotspot. Here you can customize it. For example, here you can change its name, here you can change its security protocol, here you can change its password. Here you can select the maximum amount of connections, and there's also an inactivity timeout, which means like after how many minutes of inactivity your hotspot will be automatically turned off. And it's all the features you can customize here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.